Keshav. A furious King Vikramaditya followed Betal to the peepal tree. He pulled down the corpse from there. He lifted the corpse and put it on his shoulder. Then he started walking. On the way, Betal said to him, Vikram, listen to the story I am going to tell you. Saying so, Betal began to tell the story. Once there was a town called Dharmasthala. It was situated on the banks of river Yamuna. In this town lived a Brahmin by the name of Keshav. He was very learned. He had read almost all the religious scriptures. Now he had a small family consisting of a wife, son and daughter, Madhumalti. Madhumalti was exceptionally beautiful. So beautiful was she that even the fairies envied her. But as she grew with each passing year, her parents became worried for her. They started looking for a suitable groom for her. Keshav and Madhu. One day, Keshav was invited to perform a religious ceremony in a client's house. While he was performing the ceremony, he came across a young Brahmin named Madhu. He was a student of the Vedas and the Shastras and had topped in the Gurukul. Keshav developed an instant liking for Madhu. He told Madhu about his daughter and expressed his desire to get Madhumalti married to him. He even paid a visit to Madhu's house and met his parents. Madhu's parents were very happy to get such a nice alliance. His father said, "It will be an honor to have Madhumalti as our daughter-in-law. In fact, we ourselves were looking for such an educated and respected family." A happy Keshav went home with a packet of sweets. He said to his wife, "Our worries are over. I have found a match for our daughter. His name is Madhu. He belongs to an educated and well-to-do family." The three alliances. Keshav's wife was very surprised. She said, "You should have talked to me before consenting for the alliance. As it is, I too have found a match for Madhumalti. The groom-to-be is a handsome young man named Vaman. His parents have also consented." Keshav could not say anything after hearing this, but there was more to come. As Keshav was digesting this fact, his son entered the house. He looked very excited. He said happily, "Father and mother, I have some good news for you. It will be a relief for you to hear that I have found a match for Madhumalti. The boy's name is Madhusudan. He is a highly accomplished man." The parents stared at each other in shock. They could not understand what was happening. Suddenly, there were three alliances for their daughter, Madhu, Vaman and Madhusudan. They told their son about the matches they had found for Madhumalti. Death of Madhumalti. All the three members of the family started thinking about the issue. They could not find a solution. Ultimately, they decided to leave the decision to Madhumalti. She would select her own husband from the three suitors. On the appointed day, all the three would-be grooms arrived at Keshav's house. It was a tough choice for Madhumalti to make, as all the three were good. In the midst of all this, unobserved by anyone, a black cobra crept into the room. It slowly crawled towards Madhumalti and bit her. None could save her. She died instantly. The three suitors mourned for their loss, as did everyone else. Later, Madhumalti's last rites were performed. Madhu gathered her charred bones in an earthen pot. He went to another town and started living there. Vaman gathered Madhumalti's ashes. He built a hut on that spot and started living there.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.